there to do with the girl.
You okay?
You're close.
Watch this, Aunna.
He's coming in hot. What?
Diarrhea.
Now we are making chocolate. Pink. So this is the chocolate now. We microwave. And she's stealing a bunch.
Bring me out so I'm at police vet therapy. Nobody responded, but I thought.
I'm putting the chocolate in. And we like to put... Are you eating the sprinkles? We like to put sprinkles on ours. So there's that. And then for this one, we have butterflies.
Oh, these are for the kids.
Perfect.
Oh, soup.
Soupy, buttery.
Doughy.
Okay, crack the egg now, and then we can mix.
Crack the egg.
Okay.
Okie dokie, start mixing.
Mommy's, Mimi's,
Okay. You've already claimed everybody's rolling pins. You know how to do it?
Good.
The gray one is mine.
All right, stir it all up. Remember, you do the
The
sides.
green one is mine.
Okay.
And that one is yours.
Okay, whichever one you want.
And that one's just mommy's. That one's just mine.
So excited.
Why are you crying?
Because we're watching you stir it up. You got to get it all stirred up.
My talent.
Your talent.
Mimi has a pretty one somewhere. I think it's in my trunk of my car, believe it or not. I was keeping it there to do with the girls, but we don't do it very often.
She don't. The cookie from the cookies thing.
Who took the cookie? Remember that song? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who, me?
Yes.
Yeah, you. Not I. Then who?
On your mark, get set, go! You look like a zombie.
Oh, brain.
All right. One more crazy face, everybody. Zombies. Okay. Goodbye.
Who won?
I think you both did. That was a tie.
No, I won.
No way. All right, I'll do a video of crazy faces. Ready? Go.
Woody butt. I like my woody butt.
Well,